This is the 2023 Mac Pro, nicknamed still grate-en. We begin with a close inspection of the grille and ports. For locking latches release with quiet mechanical clicks. The cage lifts, exposing modular trays and braided cabling. Call out 1. Power supply. 1.6 kilowatts peak, serviced with a hex driver. We remove the grille and lift the airflow shroud for a slow reveal. At the core sits the CPU module with a large fin stack and vapor chamber. Call out 2. CPU options. M-Series Pro support up to 64 cores. RAM sleds slide out easily. Labeled channels simplify upgrades. PCIe bays reveal dual accelerator cards and reinforced retention brackets. Storage array callout. NVMe RAID with hot swappable sleds and 8-lane controllers. In short, modular engineering, serviceable design, and the signature grate that defines it.